Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah Roosh and I'm here today to talk about budgeting for a single income family household. So my husband is the primary breadwinner in our family and I'm the primary caregiver of our 1-year-old daughter. And I do a few hours of work every week, but that doesn't do much to change our overall income right now. So I'm going to be talking about how to budget for a family that is single income and to be able to come out with having more money to put towards your savings, to pay off your debt, and how to budget like a master and be able to create financial freedom for your family. And that is what this channel is about. I'm passionate about being able to help stay-at-home moms create the life of their dreams through finances, spirituality, building family relationships, and much, much more. So let's get right into the video. So this is the budget that I use. It's just it's very simple, and I like to just put it on a piece of paper myself, be able to fill it in all on my own. And so I make it into a couple of different sections. I put our income as well as any trajectory income that we might be getting, and then I put our expenses. I put the optional expenses that are just kind of like budgeting, like this is how much money we have to spend in this category for the month. I like to add financial goals just so that I have something to work towards. Then I add my debt and I add our savings right here. So this month we are going to be hopefully getting $2,000, as well as if a deal that I'm working on goes through, we will get another $3,750. And so then here's all our basic expenses. Groceries, we spend $300 a month, and then things like toilet paper and stuff, we spend $100 a month. So $300 is, we came up with this because there's a rule that I saw online for budgeting that every person in the household should have $100 of groceries every month if you're trying to budget. So that's what we did, so that it's not too little or too much grocery money being spent. And then for debt, after I minus off all of our expenses, how much ever we have left over, I will portion out as much as possible to go into debt to pay that off as quickly as possible. And then I will put the remainder into savings. Our financial goal is to hopefully pay off our debt in the next 2 months. So if that all goes to plan, if this money comes in, we should be able to pay our debt off immediately. And if not, then 2 months is what we're working towards, $500 each month. And so if this money comes in, our plan is to pay off our debt, invest $500 of it, and then put the rest into savings. And this back part of the budget is what I use to be able to see how much money we spent each month, so I can look back at the end of the month and review and make goals financially on how we can improve. So this is kind of like a log of our receipts in a way. So I put down how much we want to spend in each category. Personally, we spend $20 each. That's our goal. And then we have $20 towards dates. We've already gone over we've already exceeded our budget this month because a lot of things happened. My husband started a new job, so he needed to get some new clothes for that. And then we bought some baby clothes this month. So we already have exceeded this, but we're hoping to do a no spend challenge so that we spend as little as possible for the rest of the month. And so this is where we are this far. And so at the end of the month, I will do a review to see how we did. And if you'd like to follow along on your budget next month, I will be uploading these every month to show how we grow. And I want to, on this channel, show our journey of being able to purchase our first home and be homeowners and also start business and be able to grow into create the life of our dreams. And I want to take you along on that ride and kind of teach you what we've learned and help you so that you don't have to struggle the way that we do and learn from our mistakes, so that you're able to follow along on this journey and feel supported in your growth as a family. And especially if you are moving toward becoming a single income household and wanting to stay at home and homeschool your kids or do anything in those realms, I would love for you to subscribe and join our journey and our family of the Peacemakers. We love you guys and thank you for watching.